the haunted street light. Exactly when did it bend over like that? I wonder what's it gonna do. Ow. Ow. The street light's on my head. That's fun. What the heck? I'm hanging. Yay, my dad was wrong. I can't fly. I can fly. I'm standing. Oops. What the? 1, 2. What happened to the street light? What's... Ow. Ouch.
Rock.
Ouch.
It's a giant rock.
A giant rock! The end of movie. Thanks for watching.